Hi foodies, welcome back to the Development Kitchen. I'm Danny Donald. Today I'm going to show you how to make this pork and prawn gyoza. Let's make some dumplings. Place a small amount of filling in the middle of the dumpling wrapper. Wet the outside edge of the wrapper. This will help it to stick together. Use your thumb and forefinger to pinch the dough together. Take your time, practice makes perfect. Place dumplings in a hot pan with oil. Very carefully add water and cover with a lid. This will steam the dumplings. Remove the lid and cook a few more minutes until water is gone. Dunk dumplings in dipping sauce and enjoy!